God.
He knows his stuff.
Oh. Elevator. It's kind of soothing. Relaxing. It is not that bad. The lights. We can see the lights. Oh, I don't want to say that. Oh, God, it stopped.
Okay, let's go.
Is that fast? Wow.
I think I'm where I'm supposed to be.
That depends. Who are you looking for?
I don't know. We was in a limo not too long ago, and they told us because I left something, like I left my makeup bag and a scarf.
Ah, yes. I believe you're in the right place. I think I have it for you.
Okay.
Just a second.
Casual? $1. What do you want? One, mama, one.
Are you Leslie?
Yes.
This is. I assume this is yours.
And I thought there was a scarf in there, but I guess this is the only thing that they found.
That's all I was given, but I can go check and see if there's a scarf back there.
It's like a black. It's real soft, and
A
it's
soft
real
cotton.
like big.
Okay. Yeah. you can take them
Yeah,
off. I'll
let's
go
do
look.
this to make it big.
Stop.
Is this all for us?
It is mostly,
Get it.
all the boxes are Google, it's all Google.
Alright. We put them in an office.
They're light, but they're,
Come on, give me one of those. Please, I'm hungry.
Look, you can go. No, you just ate chicken, dude.
Chicken. I want to.
Look, go over there and you'll see like the city and stuff.
Okay. Oh my God. Yo, dude. This is awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome. Ooh, I feel so shaky right now. Ooh. Everything's over here. It's beautiful. Sun. Ouch. Yeah, it's awesome. I took the picture to put up on Instagram. Yep. Couple more. I need to take a lot. So say smile. Uh-oh. The sound means you got a text message. New shoes. New shoes. New shoes. New shoes. There's gonna be a lot of pictures to take here and put on Instagram. Trump. This place is awesome. I mean, it's completely awesome. So much to take here. I have to take pictures of. Sure. What? Oh, Mom, come here. Look what they did. Look, heart. I'm gonna take a picture of that. Yeah. Instagram, follow me. I have about like 100 followers in like a couple days, I think somewhere. Or weeks, I don't know. Almost 20K. set my goals for 20K followers.
It's okay.
I just scoured the office and the only thing we had was the
Make it back.
meat
All right.
that made it back to us.
All right, cool.
Sorry
Thank
about that.
you for this.
Somebody stole it. Dun dun dun. Let's figure it out. Look, I was at the dentist. I asked so many questions. It hurt. I got numb. I got put numb. They made my mouth numb. It's okay now. But it feels like metal though.
Talk too much.
Oh. You're just saying. Does MVP say you said so? No. But still, yeah. I like this place a lot. Heal.